Teacher tip 33. Continually improve as a teacher. You want to join some teacher organizations, you want to go to seminars, you want to join workshops. You should continually improve yourself as a teacher. Learn new skills. Go online, find resources. Go to other teachers and learn from them. If it's possible, try and join some classes of experienced teachers, because every little bit that you learn will improve yourself. One of the things they always tell teachers is to be a lifelong learner. And it's so important that teachers continually try and learn new skills and improve themselves. I've seen so many teachers just get comfortable in what they're doing and they get stuck in a routine. To stop that, you should try new activities. You should deliver the content in a different way. Always try and improve whatever you're doing. That is for your students and also for yourself. If you learn new skills that other teachers can do, then you are improving your value to your school and you're improving your value as a teacher and a person. So continually look for ways that you can improve. Learn new skills, go to workshops, join organizations, and become an expert in your field. Teacher tip 34. Leave your problems at the door. Your students deserve the best version of you. Enter your class with the right attitude. Teachers are human. We have problems at home. We have some things that bother us. If you look at the news, that can bring you down too. But as a teacher, it is your responsibility that once you enter that classroom, you let it go and you give your best to the students. I am not saying don't be human. Students know and understand and they will value you if you can show the human side of you. But remember, you are the leader in the classroom. I already said don't be emotional. Now I'm telling you, you're supposed to be a pillar of strength for your students. And that means that any problems that you have, any hang-ups, anything that's keeping or holding you back, leave that at the door. Go into the class with a fresh attitude and do your best for your students because they deserve that. It can be difficult, so I advise you to speak to other teachers if you have any issues. But once you go into your classroom, try and show the students the best part of yourself. Because remember, many of them are also going through struggles and they are very young, so they don't know how to exactly process that. They will look up to you to help them through difficult things too. And if they can see that you are strong, even though you might be going through something difficult, they will learn from that. And it's way more than you can ever teach any content or ideas, especially today where a lot of students are struggling with depression. If they can go into that classroom and they see a teacher showing the best possible version of themselves, they can think, well, maybe this teacher is going through something too, but they are showing me strength and that it is possible. Always keep that at the back of your mind, that you are a role model for your students, not just by the way that you conduct yourself, but also in the way that you control your emotions and issues you might have in your life.